Mr. Mahanta, welcome you on my YouTube channel. Here we will be learning about calendar that we are given a questions on GS paper 2 or which where we have to calculate the day of date given date. There we need to learn how to calculate this. Okay, and we have to remember some month codes as they are for for January and for February, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. For January it is 0, for February it is 3, 6, 1, 4, 6, 2, 5, 0, 3, 5. How all these codes we get? We should know this. For January, before starting the calendar, and at the time of Jesus Christ, 00 time, then we were not having any odd days. So we take the monthly code of January as 0. And when we get into February for because of having 31 days in January month, after a completion of 28 days we are having 3 days. That 3 odd days are getting transferred to February. Okay, here we get 3 days. In case of ordinary years, we do not find any odd days in a month of February. So those 3 odd days of January month get transferred to March. But in case of March, we get again 3 odd days that gets transferred to April, where we calculate that 3 plus 3 6 odd days. And for April there we get 2 days because it is of 30 days. We get 2 days. For 6 plus 2 we get 8 odd days, but we have to minus 7, so we get only 1 odd days. For May we get the code 1, and for May it is 31 days. There we get 28 days as weekdays, and again 3 days extra that gets transferred to June. 3 plus 1, it is what we get, it is 4. We coded June as 4. And when we get 4 day here on June, there we get only 2 days extra that we get 6. And from 6 for July we get 31 days, 3 days extra that we are to 6 we get 9, minus 7 we get, it is 2 for August. And from August we get 3 odd days as it is of 31 days month, so we get it transferred to September as 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So from September we get 2 days extra, so we get a number of odd days 0, because 5 plus 2 it is 7, so we get 0. We coded October as 0. And for November, here we get 3 odd days extra that we get coded to November. And when we get 2 days out of November as 29 and 30, we get our December month coded with 5. Okay, we get to know all these things. So we'll now code centuries. For every 100 years we have 76 ordinary years and 24 leap years, and for every leap years we get 2 odd days. And for 76 years we get only one odd day each year. And for every 4 years there we get 0 odd days. So for every 4 year, it means when we divide the thousands, we get 3 remainders, 0, 1, 2 and 3. When we divide 1000 by 4, when we divide 1000 by 400, what do we get? As remainder we get 2. And when we all 1000 days, when we divide by 400, we'll be having only three remainders. And when we get 0, 0, 0 means 400 years completed. 400 years completed, so we'll be having 0 days, 0 days. And we have when we get 1, suppose we are at 500 years, we'll be having how many odd days here? Here, on calculating 400 minus 400, we will get 100 years. For 100 years, 76 years or ordinary years, and 24 leap years. Here one day, one odd day. Here two odd days, On calculating, what do you find? 76 odd days, and here 424 into 2, 48 odd days. On adding this, we will get 6, 14, 1, carrying 1, 7, 4, 11, we get 12. On dividing it by 7, we get 7, 5, 4. 5, we get 5. When the remainder we get 1, we find 5 odd days. And for in case of 600, we will be having 200 we will be having 200 years, because we minus 400 and 200 years. Same, so 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 for 100 years, and 5 for next 100 years. We'll get 10 odd days. And minus 7, how many odd days we get? We get 3. And in case of 700, we minusing 400, we get 300. It means 5 plus 5 plus 5, it is 15. And easily we can find minusing 14, we get 1 odd days. These are our century codes. When we divide the centuries by 4, and these are remainders, and these are odd days. And when we look at code of days. For Sunday, it sounds like 1. We will Sundays, Monday, Tuesday sounds like 2, so we'll code it by 2. Monday sounds like 1, and Sunday generally we give it 0. And for Wednesday, W looks like 3, so we'll code this as 3. And for Thursday, Thor sounds like 4, so we'll code it with 4. And Friday 5, we'll code it with 5. And Saturday we'll code it with 6. Now we are going to calculate the UPSC question here. And for 10th, we'll get 3 odd days. And for October, what we get 0 odd days, 0. And for 2000 divided by 400, we get remainder 0. So odd days we get, it is 0. And for now we have to calculate 26, because we have to calculate 26 first. 26 till 26, how many odd days we can have? Till 26, how many odd days we can have? We'll divide it by 4. No, for till 26, how many odd days we get? Till 26, we'll add a 26 odd days, because for every year we'll be having odd days and 1 extra year for leap years. We'll calculate how many leap years are there in 26 years. We'll calculate. Here we'll get 6 as quotient, and was remainder, means 6 leap years are there. We'll add 6. We get the sum on adding all the numbers. We get 35. On dividing it by 7, we get 0 as remainder. Hence we get the answer 0. 0 means Sunday. Here is the answer Sunday. Thank you.